Kumar, physics faculty. I taught physics in Fiji in a Akas Institute for 14 years. After completing my BTech in 2008 in electronics and communication, I joined Fiji and taught physics to engineering students, CBSE students up to 2011 at Fiji East Delhi Center, South Delhi Center and Dharbad Center. After that, 2011-2013, I worked in Akas Institute at Bhubaneswar Center and Janakpuri Delhi Center. I taught there to medical students. After that, 2013 to 2021, I taught engineering student at Fiji, Kalusarai, South Delhi Center. After that, 2021 to 2022, I taught physics to medical students. Okay, so I have experience of teaching to medical students and engineering students and CBSE students, okay, all together. Thank you. Hello students, welcome to the channel. You are going to fill options in Josaa 2022 and you have to opt for your college and your branch, okay, and if you have rank between 1 lakh to 6 lakh, you can opt so many GFTI government funded technical institutes. So many colleges are there where you have good options, where you can opt and you can hope that this time 2022 you can get, okay. So to get the realistic data, to realize that or to have better idea for this year, you should realize or you should analyze the data of last year 2021. Here is the data which is the real data, actual data of 2021, okay. Based upon this you can have idea that what you may get, okay. So of course the variation is quite possible. With a variation of 2000, around 2000 is quite possible. Maybe some college, some seats are able, some seats may be available, okay, of on with the variation of 2000 rank, okay. So here that quota is AI means all India, okay, all India. That means you can say the other state quota, or you can say that this is all India quota, okay. And again here seat type means for different category reservations are there, like for general, for SC ST, for OBC, okay. The different category are there and their reservations are there. In each category there are further two reservations are there, like two parts are there. One is gender neutral. Gender neutral means girls by both, and female only, for girls only. So here two different categories are there, like gender neutral and female only, okay. For so here in each category means each category, that means general also, OBC also, you will get two different further two category you will get, okay. So let's start. So here here we are starting with Assam University, okay. Assam University. So wherever the options are available, I have just bracket, I have closed them, closed the options in box. You can get the idea. Those the options available in box, those are for rank 1 lakh to 6 lakh, okay. 1 lakh to 6 lakh, these are the options in Assam University. These are the options available, okay. These are this is okay. Let's see in BIT Mesra, Ranchi available or not, okay. In BIT Mesra no options are available, and here in another college also it is available or not, okay. It's already in bracket, it will come in box, closed in box, okay. So what are the options available, you can see here, okay. Let's see, okay. In Delhi no options available. HNB there is no option available. Punjab, okay. In Punjab Engineering College there is a option, okay. In Punjab Engineering College you can get metallurgical and material engineering, but Punjab engineering college is very good engineering college, okay, and this is a very reputed engineering college, okay, and their placements are very good. So last year, these are the seats, these are the ranks who got last year. Again here Pondicherry engineering college, in Pondicherry engineering college you have option, so many option. In computer science also you have option, okay. HS means home state. Home state means a student who is from Pondicherry, who can that student got last year, okay. In Pondicherry engineering college, mechanical engineering you have option, you may opt, okay. In mechatronics, mechatronics is basically mechanical engineering and electronics engineering, the combination of mechanical engineering and electronics engineering. Basically in automobile sector, automobile industry, for making cars, mechanical engineering and electronics both are used, so this branch came after that. So in Ghani Khan Chaudhary University, okay, West Bengal, you have option, okay. You can see so many options will be available in Ghani Khan Chaudhary, okay, university. Here again Central University Rajasthan, no option available, okay. And let's move to the next option. What are the available options, okay? These are the options, okay. So I'll tell you that, just note down each and every option available, and you can get very good college and a very good branch, okay, according to your choice, okay. And hopefully if you see each and every branch, and you will see the detail of the data, okay, of the last year 2021, you can get much better rank, much better branch this year, okay. And if you have not subscribed, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.